my name is Elizabeth Tenhouten. I'm a beauty expert and author of Natural Beauty Homemade Recipes for Radiant Skin and Hair. And I would love to show you how to make a simple lotion-based recipe. It's an easy recipe that you can make at home with great ingredients that could be purchased at either your pharmacy or your local market in the beauty or body aisle. What we want to use is calendula. Calendula is actually derived from a wound healing flower, and it's in itself intrinsically valuable as a homeopathic medicine. So you can even find it at a pharmacy and have calendula pills that you can grind up with a mortar and pestle and add some water or rose water if you prefer to make sort of a paste. We're going to use calendula lotion as our base for the lotion, which essentially means that our lotion is not as heavy as a cream for a cosmetic analogy and not as light as a serum. It's just perfectly in the middle and just right. It's going to be great for your whole body, neck, and décolletage as well. And that's why we want to use essential oil. Chamomile, wild chamomile essential oil is lovely. It doesn't have to be wild, but it can be chamomile essential oil, which has a lovely fragrance, and it will be near our nose, so we're going to smell it, and we want it to smell pretty. We want our body to smell pretty and be supple and have a glowing complexion. So vitamin E oil is an essential ingredient as well. It is not only high in antioxidant value, which is great for premature aging, it's also great to soak into your skin and even benefits sun-exposed skin. You're going to take a half a cup of the healing calendula lotion and a teaspoon of the vitamin E oil, high in antioxidant value, and then you're going to drop in about 10 to 12 drops of the fragrant chamomile essential oil. Mix well, and you're going to have a luxurious lotion for your body. I'm going to put some of this luxurious lotion right on my skin for a supple, beautiful complexion. Again, my name is Elizabeth Tenhouten, and that's how you make a simple lotion-based recipe. Thanks so much for watching.